You don't say. No. No. Headers on Pontiacs don't suck. I don't care what you say. Headers on Pontiacs don't suck. You can think that. But no. No. What? Come here. Come here. What? Come here. What? Oh. Come here. They don't suck. I like headers on Pontiacs. You know, I wish you'd quit tearing up all the paper and stuff and leaving it all over the floor. Problem killed children. Anyway, headers do not suck on Pontiacs. You just have to know how to do it. So we're going to show everybody how to do it. Because if you notice, the bolts go in this way. You can't hardly see the damn things, right? This is a Ventura, which uses early Firebird stuff. So it's a little bit easier to get to. Not quite as good as, say, round port stuff, but, you know, just as good. So here's your happy gasket. Some of these gaskets are not as good as others. This is a neat little trick that I like to do to make the gaskets easier to fit in. Now you got to be careful here because you don't want to cut into the part where the actual port is. So you want to actually use some gasket there. And you just like notch it like this. See how I'm doing that? And you want the ones with the metal core or just straight up copper ones. Okay? And if you have the straight up copper ones, then this goes real easy. And the copper ones seal up pretty good, so if you want to spend the money on those, go for it. And then I just do this, and a little bit of that, and there's enough left there. And this one, just because it might catch your finger on it, and we want to be anal, we'll do that. All right. So, walk around you guys, because you're sitting on a stick in front of my car. Doesn't everybody want to sit on a stick in front of the car? I know they do. Anyway, I got all the bolts started, because getting the bolts started is the pain in the ass part. Then you can push the header down a little and feed the whole thing in there. And it goes in nice and slick. Bam! And now you just tighten it up and it's good. Everything's in and it's gonna seal pretty well. So headers on Pontiacs don't suck. I don't care what Deegan says. Okay? Deegan, headers on Pontiacs are just fine. They work good. You just have to know what you're doing.